sweet potato, chickpea and okra gumbo. Hi, Gemma here reporting for Hench Herbivore. So today we're making a whole foods plant-based meal which is great for all the family and also to support your gym goals. So let me introduce you to the fellas. So firstly we've got 350 grams of sweet potato, 1 rib of celery, half a courgette, 1 onion and 1/3 of a green pepper. Also we've got okra, which is very important for this dish, about 300 grams. I've got frozen here. Ideally you should use fresh. I think it will be a lot tastier. Next we have tomatoes. You want 2 cans, 1 can of chickpeas, a tablespoon of peanut butter, vegetable stock. Now you need about 7 cups, which is an American cup. So we're going to use about a teaspoon of this particular brand of stock. Obviously use whichever you like. A lot of them have palm oil, so make sure you go for one that hasn't got that. A little bit of salt to taste, about half a teaspoon of Tabasco, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, about half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of thyme, and about half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or more or less to taste basically. You're still there. Okay, so step 1 is to steam fry the onion until translucent. The next step is to add the other veggies. I'm going to cook for a further 2 minutes.
2 minutes. One fell on the floor.
That's fine.
Standard. Now what's happening?
Now we add everything else.
Oh.
So we're going to put in the stock. It works out to be about 1 litre for you guys who are not American. So we add this.
I'm not American.
We add the spices.
Knock it up a notch with a blast from your spice weasel. Bam!
Sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes.
And the tomatoes. Basically you add everything except for the peanut butter, which you add right at the very end.
Okay then.
Salt if you're having it, Tabasco. And we're going to simmer it uncovered for maybe around an hour. Basically you want the potatoes to be really tender and almost falling apart. Then you're good to go.
They're like little stars.
Yeah.
You're like a little star, baby.
Ah, am I the star of your show today?
Yes.
Okay, so the snack is done. So we're just going to put a little boiling water in with the peanut butter so that we can mix it up better.
It's me. I have to do this important bit. Mmm, that is freaking delicious.
Not delightful?
I don't always say that. Yeah, that's lovely. So what is this, like from the deep south?
Yeah, gumbo.
Creole cooking, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
We don't often eat that sort of cuisine, do we? That's really,
Yeah.
that is delicious. Some of the people you cook for, that's their favourite meal, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Try this, it's amazing. Full of protein, full of nutrients. Delicious. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Go vegan for victory. No digging. No digging. Yeah.